Hello beshies, I'm RBT, a Pinay Christian vlogger, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my other social media handles. It's RB_T. So usually I post law-related videos, but this time around, it's a departure from my usual uploads. Since I also want to delve into the productivity realm and I really have a weak spot for interesting technology, I decided to make this video. So for today, I will actually be unboxing the Royal Clutch RK71 fully mechanical Bluetooth keyboard. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Sa totoo lang, I have been thinking of buying a wireless mechanical keyboard for some time now kasi sabi ko, I really want to enjoy the typing experience since I know I will be doing a lot of typing. And feeling ko din mas mabilis and mas pleasant yung experience na pagta-type gamit yung mechanical keyboard compared to the keyboard of the laptop that I use. So, syempre, marami namang suggestion ng wireless mechanical keyboard, lalo na sa YouTube. And so, this is where I searched. Until finally, I came to the conclusion that I needed a mechanical keyboard na as much as possible wireless para less clutter on my desk. And also, as much as possible na retain yung original or as close to its size ng full keyboard. And merong dedicated arrow keys kasi meron ako yung nakitang mga mechanical keyboard na 60% na keyboard, they didn't have dedicated arrow keys. After a lot of searching and so many YouTube videos that I watched on mechanical keyboards, I finally settled on the Royal Clutch RK71 mechanical keyboard. Short review sa mga gusto ng fast-forward na final verdict. I like it. It's affordable, it has a solid build, and the keys are linear so tahimik siya. And definitely not a disturbance, especially when you're working with someone else beside you, hindi sila ma-disturb sa clickety-clack ng mechanical keyboard. And the bonus is yung aesthetic look ng kanyang RGB lighting. By the way, hindi sponsored yung unboxing na to, but I just really like gadgets that make my work more efficient and motivate me to be more productive. For 2,375 pesos with the shipping na yun on Shopee and 1 week delivery time for the shipping, here is the unboxing. The package came with this box labeled with the name of the brand. By the way, galing Shenzhen, China yung seller. And considering na taga-probinsya pa ako, 7 days shipping is a thumbs up. One con lang sa seller ay wala man lang kahit konting bubble wrap or pang-caution against the perils of overseas shipping. Parang naka-plastic lang siya. Once open, may kita agad ang keyboard, and further up are the peripherals the keyboard came with, including the USB-C for wired use and the magnetic stands if you want to change the angle of your keyboard. It also came with this keycap puller. When I got it, it seems like charged naman siya kasi nagamit ko na siya agad. I got the white RGB unit, and this actually also comes in black, but I just really wanted it to match the aesthetic of my desktop, so kinuha ko yung white. On the front of the keyboard, you can see the Royal Clutch logo. And on both sides, meron pang RGB slits na you can change the lighting using the commands of the keyboard. On the bottom part, you can see this is where you put the magnetic stands, and you can also see a space for a Bluetooth dongle, but it doesn't come with one, so you have to purchase it separately. There's also the unit name as well as the on-off, the power button of the unit. So unlike its smaller version, the RK61, the RK71 has 10 more keys on the sides, and it also has dedicated arrow keys. Surprisingly, there's a heftiness to the unit that you wouldn't expect on such a reasonable price point. For size comparison, here is the RK71 alongside the Apple Magic Keyboard. It of course has a little bit of height as expected from a mechanical keyboard, and that's why medyo nanibago ako kasi flat talaga yung usual kong tinatypan. By the way, I got the red switches dahil na-confused ako. The RK71 actually comes in red, blue, and brown switches. Akala ko kasi yung tahimik, yung blue na keycaps or linear, at saka yung red yung maingay or yung tactile. Kaya red yung kinuha ko. I will be using the keyboard in the dark for you to fully appreciate the RGB lighting effects. Since kakakuha ko pa nga lang siya, I cannot give you a full and in-depth review of this mechanical keyboard, but comment down below if gusto nyo yun. But I'm really enjoying typing away, the feeling of typing on a mechanical keyboard so far. Iba talaga kasi yung feel ng mechanical keyboard compared to the keyboard on my laptop. Aside from productivity, I also wanted to slow down the depreciation of the keyboard on my laptop. So that's it for today, beshies. I know this is not directly related to the law of videos that we usually do, but it is kinda indirectly related because as a lawyer, I know I will be doing a lot of typing and a lot of researching, and I want it to be a pleasant and easier experience for me, at least kahit sa physical hardware lang. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down below if you have a mechanical keyboard and if you also want to use one. Stay happy, stay positive, stay blessed. Bye, beshies!